Hey everyone, welcome back to another painting tutorial. Guys, first off, I have to tell you I'm so freaking excited about Maw tribes. It's my #1 army. I just love everything about them. We are recording another tutorial on how to paint the skin that you can see in this video. But at the time of recording these tutorials, we lost so much footage over and over again, so we just had to switch up equipment, and this new equipment also gave me some trouble. We wanted the two tutorials to drop on the release date for Feast for Bones, but we did not want to sacrifice any quality, which is why we decided to delay them. But we are here now and excited to show you a quick and easy way to do simple tattoo designs. This tutorial on how to paint tattoos will go over how to mix paints to achieve a more smooth and under the skin type look without glazing, and how to strategize making a cool design of the Maw tribe symbol. If you want to contribute to these tutorials so we can continue to improve them, please follow the links below to our Patreon page. Any help is appreciated, but if you can't, that's totally fine. Please enjoy the tutorial. First, for this skin, I have used Bugman's Glow Cadian Flesh and Scale 75 Light Flesh. So for the tattoo part, I will use the mid-tone, which is Cadian Flesh, and mix it with Abaddon Black. When I mix the Cadian Flesh and Abaddon Black, I try to mix it quite dark, because I want the tattoos to be seen from arm's length. But you can mix the black with a bit more Cadian Flesh to give it a more faded look, as if the tattoos were old. It can be a very neat thing to do on your tyrant to give him a more veteran feel, or even mix and match old faded tattoos and fresh tattoos on the same model. That in itself can give a more history to the tribe and their survivability. For the design, I start by making a circle by drawing up the first half on one side, and then mirror it on the other. Avoid making this into an oval shape. This may be worth doing a few trials with a brush on a piece of plastic before you're trying it on your finished miniature. If the line work is a little bit uneven, that's totally fine. Keep following the tutorial and you can touch it up later on. Once the circle is complete, I'm doing 4 larger triangles inside the circle at every 90-degree mark. I make lines to mark up where each triangle will go. This will help to make everything a little bit more centered. I now create triangular shapes where the lines have been marked up. I also fill in whatever area is left unpainted inside each triangle. Once all the larger triangles are done, I create smaller triangles in between the larger ones. These are so small that I just freehand them. If they don't come out perfect, don't worry, you'll touch them up right after this. Now it's time to touch up the lines and remove the circle. For this, I use pure Cadian Flesh. If you're using a different skin tone on your ogres, or whichever miniature that you're painting, just use a similar tone to what the skin looks like on your mini. As you erase the lines in between the triangles, you now have the opportunity to shape the triangles to make them look extra crisp and neat. Alright, that's it for the tattoo tutorial. I hope you guys learned something and feel excited to try it out. Ogres have an amazing amount of skin canvas and you can put tons of cool looking tattoos on them. Just keep in mind that when you're freehanding a surface, you always want to be able to do some small cleanups after you've mapped up your design. As long as you do the tattoo darker, you can always go back and put a glaze of the skin tone on top of them to make them look a little bit more faded out and old. It's harder to do it the other way around though. I want to thank all of our patrons for the support they give to us to be able to make these videos. Carl Maarten, Jonathan Edlund, Jason D. Fluffer, Mark Alexander, and Matt Rotowski. Also, thank you to everyone who purchased one of my shirts. If you want to get one of my sweet screen-printed eco-friendly shirts, please find the links below. Editing for this video was done by the amazing Maarten Kramer. The palette that I'm using in this video is the Redgrass Studio Wet Palette. Link to it is down below. Using this link or any of the links to their products below automatically contributes to these videos. Thank you to everyone who watched this video. I appreciate all of the support. Give us a like and a comment in the description. What are you guys painting? I want to hear from you. What do you want to see in the future? I hope you have a great day and happy painting.